Thank you so much for watching my video about how to use HTML email template as well as OTF template on your Outlook email client. Okay, at the very beginning, I would like to show how to use HTML email template. So let's go. How to use HTML. This is HTML file. Okay, I just click this template by using Chrome browser. Okay, for using this HTML email template on Outlook email client, just you have to select all the template by Ctrl plus A. Ctrl plus A to select all the whole template and Ctrl plus C. Then Ctrl plus C and go back your Outlook email client interface. Okay, and then paste this template here. Ctrl plus V. Sorry. Ctrl plus V. Okay, yeah. The template has been implemented on Outlook email client. Okay. Also, you could use direct layout 1 OTF template by double click. Okay, double click. Automatically it implement on your Outlook mail client. I'm going to show how to send a HTML event template by your desirable user by editing all the section. Here I create a demo data to send a recipient one by one. Okay, this is a demo data. For example, you would like to send the customer name. Okay, just click customer name, select the customer name and go back here demo data customer name. Okay, for example, John Mendel. Okay, select the John Mendel and Ctrl plus C and go back here email template on Outlook. Already I've been selected, then Ctrl plus V. Before paste, you have to select the customer name as you want to implement the customer name. Just Ctrl plus V as we copy before. Okay, John Mendel has been implemented, and then you would like to change the consultant name. Okay, go back your datasheet. Consultant MR Zers. MR Zers. Ctrl plus C, and then go back here Outlook template. Yeah, then select the name, consultant name. Okay, then Ctrl plus V and location name. Go back your datasheet. Location, Atlanta. PDF. Location, Atlanta. Okay, Atlanta. And then appointment type. Then I would like to change that this data appointment type. Okay, go back the data appointment type medicine. Just select and take medicine. Okay, and then date. Date, select, select date and paste. Okay, here all the data gradually I have implement. Okay, now I would like to send this data to my user. Okay, for example, I sent these three guys to this mail. Already I have filled up this all this data, and as a subject appointment HTML email template. Okay, then I sent this button. I sent this button. Sent. Okay. Yeah, the mail has been come on my account. Okay, the mail has come. Yeah, John Mendel, Dead Source, Atlanta, medicine, date, time, consultative, readership, and what we have put as a data on this Outlook. Okay, and also my Yahoo account. Okay, Yahoo account and Outlook. Oh, yeah, also come in my Outlook account. Okay, John Manuel George, Atlanta, medicine, time, date, PDF and PDF location and address. Okay, so you can use this template one by one user to use the data of this template to send your recipient. I just fill up the first one. First one. Okay, then you can take the re-again this template on Outlook and send 2 and send the 3 and 4, 5 gradually one by one. Okay, thank you so much for watching my videos. As we are not able to use drop down menu on Outlook template. Okay, that's why I have seen this. That's why I am making this tutorial how to use HTML email template on your mail client. Okay.